The Scottish breakfast, a festival of meat and offal with a cholesterol warning. Absolutely delicious. But first, the Cobb Premier and my latest acquisition, the frying dish wok. At 1.1 kilos it feels extremely solid and the usual Cobb quality steel, and apparently it has an encapsulated aluminium base to ensure even distribution of heat. The handles are made of a plastic which is reminiscent of Bakelite. It fits loosely on the Cobb base with a gap for the heat to escape, and the lid is a perfect fit. So far so good. On to the ingredients for the Scottish breakfast. So that I didn't have to eat the same thing for a week, I bought a prepared pack of the basics. But to be a proper Scottish breakfast, it also needed tomatoes, mushrooms, eggs, bacon and potato scones. Unfortunately, I forgot to buy baked beans. For the uninitiated, lone sausage is beef, wheat and loads of interesting chemicals. The link sausages were 70% pork and more wheat. And this is where it gets interesting. The haggis is lamb lung with beef fat, liver and heart with oatmeal and barley. And the black pudding is basically cereal with loads of spices, some dried blood and beef fat. Cobb recommend between 250 and 300 grams of charcoal, so I went for close to 300 grams of lump wood. After 25 minutes the charcoal was ready, on with the frying dish, and I added olive oil a minute later. Cook time was satisfyingly quick, about 18 minutes by the time the eggs were done and the potato scones had mopped up all the juice. And there was enough heat left in the charcoal for another round. So there you have it, the Cobb Premier does a great Scottish breakfast.